Home protection isn't just about alarms and cameras. It's about knowing someone's always there when you need them. Verisure is different. We combine cutting-edge technology with 24/7 trained security experts to keep your home safe. Where DIY systems leave you to do everything on your own, Verisure gives you a professionally installed, fully connected system, protecting your whole home with smart sensors, cameras, alarms, and security experts all working as one. And when an alarm triggers, we don't just send a notification. Our experts use audio and video verification to assess the situation and filter out a false alarm. If there is a threat, we can respond within 45 seconds by contacting emergency services, dispatching a security guard, or deploying ZeroVision, our smoke barrier that forces intruders out. That's the difference between a system that alerts you and a system that protects you. With Verisure, you have the peace of mind of knowing that wherever you are, your home is protected by a team of security experts. This is why millions of people worldwide trust us with their home security, because safety is not just a promise, it's our mission.